Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy tip in TradingView, how to move your price scale around within the charting interface. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reposition the price scale, whether you prefer it on the left or the right, making your chart setup much more comfortable and personalized. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to TradingView. If you're new here, TradingView is a super popular platform for charting and analyzing financial markets, so log into your account and get ready to follow along. Now, once you're on the TradingView homepage, you'll see a few options at the top. Look out for the one labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This gives you access to all the different tools and interfaces TradingView offers, but for our purposes today, we're focusing on the charting grid, which is where you'll do most of your technical analysis. Next, look for the chart grid itself. Here's a helpful tip: if you have more than one chart open, make sure you're right-clicking on the grid that you want to change. So go ahead and right-click directly on the chart grid. When you do this, you'll see a menu pop up with a bunch of different options. What you want to do now is look for the Settings option in that menu. This is kind of like the control panel for your chart's appearance and features. Click on Settings, and a whole new window will open up with even more choices for customizing your chart. In this settings window, take a look at the side panel for an option called Scale Placement. This setting controls where your price scale, that's the vertical axis showing the asset's price levels, appears on your chart. By default, it's probably on the right-hand side, which is what most people are used to. But maybe you're left-handed, or you just find it easier to track price action with the scale on the left. TradingView lets you switch it up. So in the Scale Placement section, you'll see options to lean the price scale on either the left or the right. Take your time and pick the one that makes the most sense for your workflow. Maybe try both sides. If you're not sure, you can always change it back later. Once you've made your choice, all that's left to do is hit OK. Don't worry if it takes a second for the chart to adjust. Sometimes the changes aren't instant, but they will apply. And that's really it. Your price scale is now right where you want it. Moving the price scale may seem like a small tweak, but it can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time analyzing charts or want to organize your workspace to match your habits. It's all about making TradingView work for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another TradingView feature you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.